guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show how to duplicate your WordPress post and page the easy way. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, and after you click the All Post tab. You cannot see any post duplicate options there. And same as the pages, we cannot see any page duplicate options there. So we will see how to add duplicate options there. For that, you want to add a plugin. So go to the plugin and add new plugin. The plugin called Master Add-ons for Elementor. This is the plugin. Install the plugin. And after activating it, after install the plugin, go to the plugin menu and go to the Extensions tab. After that, enable Post Page Duplicator options and save the settings. After that, go to the Post tab. And you can see the new M and a duplicate option. And the same page section. Now you can duplicate any posts and pages. Hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. Don't forget, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.